How to check promo code on 1xBet. Here's what you need to do to check your promo code. Open your 1xBet app and go to Menu. After you click Menu, it will show you some of the features that 1xBet have. As you can see here, you can already see the promo option. Kindly click the promo option and it will serve you some of the features that 1xBet has, such as promo code check and more. And as you can see here, I just click the promo code feature and it directly shows me the promo code check. Using promo codes on 1xBet offers several benefits to users, enhancing their overall experience and potential earnings. So here's what you gain of having a promo code check. Here's some of it. Number 1. Welcome bonuses. Promo codes often increase the value of welcome bonuses for new users. Number 2. Free spins and bonuses. Exclusive promo codes can unlock free spins. Number 3. Access to special promotions. Promo codes unlock exclusive offers and deals unavailable to users without them, and much more. That's pretty much of it. Hope you learned something new with me today. Thank you.